Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television TC-32C400 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not acting right or not working, or if it seems to be not responding or sluggish or bugging, this will fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if you're just trying to get a fresh start on your TV, like it's coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that. With the TV on, we're going to hit the menu button as shown here. And from there, we're just going to select the setup, which is over here on the left menu. From the setup, we'll just select reset to default, which is all the way down at the bottom, and then press the OK button. And then we'll have to enter the password. Now, if you've never put it in before, the default password will be 1234, and then select the OK button because it's going to ask you if you're sure, and it will go ahead and reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can go ahead and let it do its thing and then set it up like a new TV.